Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are gonna see how to see YouTube comments by showing restricted mode as hidden comments for this video. So as you can see here, we can see now any comments on any other videos okay. So the reason is you have turned on your restricted mode option in your YouTube app settings. So if you have turned on this option, this will be help you to hide the 100% mature contents on your video suggestion on your account, okay. So now I'm going to show you how to enable and how to see comments on any of the videos on YouTube, okay. Now I'm watching one video, so here is no comments, so I can see here because here it shows restricted mode as hidden comments for this video. So let me turn on this option on this app settings. Go to library, and as you can see here, the top right side, your profile menu, click on it, and then here click on settings. So now you can see general on the top, and then as you can see here, the restricted mode, just turn off it. So now as you can see here, this option, how it works. This helps to hide potentially mature content. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So I think you are all understood how it's work. So now I'm refresh this page and I'm gonna watch one video on YouTube. So now you can check it out there. So the comments are showing up or not. So now the comment tab is enabled. So now you can see any of the comment on any of the videos or any other channel, okay. So I hope this video is for you. So if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and you will never miss any updated videos from my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll be another interesting video. See you there.